Hello sir, I am Patil Pradnya from Department of Computer Science. In this video, I am introducing one of process model which is iterative model. Then, what is iterative model? In the iterative model, software development starts with simple implementation of subset of software requirements and iteratively enhance the version until the full system is implemented. So basically, the iterative development model is an approach of segmenting any large software development process into a smaller portion. Iterative model is overcome the drawback of waterfall model. In waterfall model, we cannot come back if we pass the phase, but in iterative model, we can come back to previous phase. To, to develop a software using iterative model, there are 5 phases: requirement phase, design phase, implementation phase, test phase, evaluation phase. Let us see the information about phases. First phase is planning and requirements. In this phase, requirements are gathered from customer and plan the software. Second is analysis and design. In the analysis and design phase, requirements are checked by analysts whether the requirement fulfilled or not, and designed by the team using different diagrams like class diagram, data flow diagram. Now the implementation phase. In the implementation phase, requirements are written in the coding language and transferred into computer. Then testing. After completing the coding phase, software testing starts using different test methods. There are many methods to test the software, but common are white box testing, grey box testing. Now the last phase is evaluation phase. In the evaluation phase, this allows the entire team as well as clients or other outside parties to examine whether the project fulfills all needs or not. Now let us see the diagrammatical view of iterative model. Here is the diagrammatical view of iterative model. First phase, requirements and planning, then analysis and design, implementation, testing, evaluation. These are all phases which are iteratively done until software developed completely. When to use the iterative model? Iterative model is not suitable for every project. There are some cases in which iterative model is used. When requirements are defined clearly and easy to understand, then iterative model is used. When the software application is large, when there is a requirement of changes in future, then iterative model is used. Iterative model has some advantages. In the iterative model, parallel development can plan. Hence, the results are obtained early and periodically. Less costly to change the scope of requirement. It supports changing requirements. Initially, operating time is less. Easier to manage risk. These are some advantages of iterative model. Now, iterative model has some disadvantages also. More resource may be required in the iterative model. Iterative model is not suitable for smaller project. Management complexity is more. High skilled resources are required for risk analysis. Project progress is highly depend upon the risk analysis phase. So these are some disadvantages of iterative model. Thank you.